So I thought I need to show you this. It's so light. As you can see, you can lift it out of the box with just one hand. So I thought that might be important if you're going to be installing it by yourself. So this is everything in the box. This is it still with the plastic on, the instructions, the screws, the remote. And I guess this is like a little lip piece, as you can see, is packaged separately. Just to double and triple check, I'm going to put it into my TV stand with the plastic still on it just to make sure it fits. Wow, I love it. As you can see, it fits perfectly. And you actually want to have some room around the edges so that way it can like breathe, so to speak. So that's a good thing. But as you can see, the brick looks excellent in my charcoal colored TV stand. So we're gonna finish getting it set up. So here is what the setup of my TV stand looks like currently. And now I'm gonna pop the fireplace in. So this is another important step. I'm still testing everything before I put it in there. The remote has a little plastic tab you have to pull out for it to work. And I just hit the power button, and this is what it instantly looked like. Now I'm pressing the flame button. As you can see, you can adjust the flame. It has a timer that you can set how long you want it to go. Oh, sorry, you missed it. It goes from 30 minutes to all the way up to 6 hours, as you saw. Okay. And then it has the temperature control. Starts at 72. You also want to test this before putting it into your unit. It does have a sticker on here letting you know that it is hot when it's on, so be careful. And this is with it off. So it looks like this unit goes all the way up to 82 degrees. You're just going to see how far, and it only goes down to 62. It's a good amount of heat coming out of here. So it's in the south, so it's pretty hot today. It's 80 degrees on its own, so we don't need the heat. I'm gonna run through the flames one more time. And 1 is off. Level 3, which is the highest. 2, 1, off. So it looks like this purchase is a win, and I'm gonna go ahead and install it. So before I install this, I wanted you to see that the package comes with a top piece here that's labeled as X and 2 Y's for the side pieces. They're in the same package, shrink wrap, so don't worry. One thing I don't like is that they put the sticker on the outside, so as you can see, it leaves that sticker residue that I'm gonna have to get off of there. But this is so, as you can see, it has screw holes, and it has additional screws for you to screw it in place into your unit. I'm not sure if I need or want to take this step because I don't want to damage my unit, but I'm gonna see how it looks when it goes in there. So it's gonna add approximately another inch around the unit. Alright, so here is the unit installed. At first I started not to add the corner guards, but just having that space filled in does make a difference. As you can see, it's not a perfect fit. To get this to work for mine, I had to tuck these in. So I screwed this on first and kind of like flexed it outward and then swung it in to get it to go underneath the lip. As I was doing that, I was just thinking about getting the size to work, and I really should have just tucked this under too, since I can't screw it in. But after it took me all that time to get it in, I definitely don't want to take it down again. But I don't really think it takes away from it, considering how it looks when you're a bit further back. The holes really don't make a difference. Okay, I'm back with an update. The perfectionist in me would just not have it. I took it out and basically like tilted it inside to get that flap to go in. You can still see the holes a little bit when you're far away, but as you can see, it looks much better with the insert. Now, let's see how it looks on. Very nice.